If you listen, you can hear it frying. It's cooking over there. You hear it cooking. All right, so you can hear it cooking. So all we gonna do now, I'm gonna stand it up once the flames cool down, and I'm gonna stand it up. But if you look closely, you can see where whatever adhesive glue that they had sealed in there that came out. You can see it right there. It looked like little A's, whatever, but right here, that rubber cooking. So once she cool down, or I might just do it like that with the, I'm gonna whack it with the hammer right now and see where it gets, but we should be able to get it out now. Make sure you protect yourself at all costs. So what I'm gonna do is back this up, put it on the ground, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the whack in it. So we're gonna put it right here on the ground. All right. That stuff stinks, but you're gonna whack it out though. While it's still lit like that, get it out. Flipping it. All right. Take y'all with me. I'm gonna use this thing over here. You're gonna put it right here. All right. Put it here. We can get it to stand up, right? Try to whack down on it. That's about it. There you go. Enough for smoking. There you go. Be careful with that wood over there. But we got it out. Now you just gotta do the other one. That's how you get them out without using the press. Probably a little dangerous with the torch and the flames, but hey, you ain't gotta be out here all day doing this. All right. So make sure your lights get. Let's go ahead and finish it up so we can get them both off. Hey, hit the like button if you're watching. Let's go over here, put it back down, and get it together. All right, so that's pretty much about it. All right, let's finish this up so we get up out of here. Got one more to go.